Good morning, my dear children. In the previous class, we discussed some important definitions in atomic structure, atomic number, mass number, isotopes, isobars, different definitions. Now, I am going to discuss some objective questions on the previous concept. See this question. The number of protons, electrons and neutrons in bromine 35 80, bromine 35 to 80. Okay, so here this is atomic number Z and this is mass number A. We know in a neutral atom number of protons equal to atomic number, so number of protons, atomic number 35, so number of protons 35, and also number of protons equal to number of electrons in a neutral atom. So this is bromine neutral atom, so number of electrons also 35, that is equal to proton. And asking number of neutrons, n is equal to A minus Z, A value 80, Z value what? 35, 80 minus 35, 45. Hence the correct answer is second one, 35 protons, 35 neutrons, 35 protons, 35 electrons and 45 neutrons. Okay na? Next, see this question. See this question asking what? Which of one of the following is an isobar of carbon 6014? We know what are isobars? Atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic number. Here what is mass number? 14. Mass number 14. Now see the options. Here mass number 13, so not possible to isobar. Mass number 12. Here mass number 14. Here mass number 15. So in which option mass number equal to 14? So third option. Hence nitrogen 7 to 14 and carbon 6 to 14 are isobars, atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic number. Hence third one is the right answer. Okay now? Next, see this question. The number of nucleons in the chlorine 37 is, this is mass number, chlorine 37 mass number, chlorine atomic number 17, mass number 37. You know what are nucleons? Nucleons are sum of protons plus neutrons, that equal to nucleons. Sum of protons plus neutrons, nucleons, and also known as sum of protons plus neutrons, also called mass number. Sum of protons plus neutrons also called mass number. Hence 37 is the right answer. Sum of protons plus neutrons are nucleons, or sum of protons plus neutrons are known as atom mass number. So hence 37 is the right answer. Okay, which one? Fourth option. Got it? So nucleons are sum of protons plus neutrons, mass number also sum of protons plus neutrons. So here what is mass number? 37. Hence 37 is the right answer. Okay, see this question. Carbon 14 isotope, the number of neutrons would be given. Carbon 14 isotope, we know atomic number of carbon 6, we know number of neutrons n is equal to mass number 14 minus atomic number 6, that is equal to 8. Hence third one is the right answer. Got it? See, carbon 6 to 14, number of neutrons 14 minus 6, 8. Okay, next one. See this question. The number of neutrons in the dipositive zinc ion, mass number of Zn is equal to 65. Zinc ion, dipositive zinc ion, dipositive, for example Zn, atomic number Zn 30, mass number 65. In this, number of protons 30, given dye positive Zn ion, dye positive, that means Zn2 plus, then number of electrons, see now protons electrons not equal. Why? Because this is positive ion. How positive ion is formed? By loss of electrons. How many positive charges are there? 2 positive charges, hence it lost 2 electrons. Then total number of electrons 30 minus 2, that is equal to 28. Here according to given question we have to calculate neutrons. Number of neutrons n is equal to mass number 65, number of protons atomic number 30, that is equal to 35. Hence first one is the right answer. Okay, simple formula, number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number A minus Z. See this is a subjective question. An ion with mass number 37 possesses 1 unit of negative charge. If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than the electrons, write its symbol. What is the given question? This is some little typical question. An ion with mass number 37, we don't know the element. Let X say the element X, and let atomic number Z, mass number given, and this is 1 unit negative charge. Now number of protons equal to atomic number, that equal to Z, and number of electrons equal to here number of electrons not equal to protons. Why? This is a negative charged particle. Negative charge means gain of electrons. Actual electrons Z, 1 negative charge means it gain 1 electron, that is equal to Z plus 1. Number of electrons Z plus 1, number of protons equal to atomic number, and number of electrons Z plus 1. Why Z plus 1? Negative charge now, that means gain 1 electron. Okay, if it is a neutral atom, then protons equal to electrons. Okay, and also given information, if the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than electrons, now number of neutrons is equal to, see, Z plus 1 electrons, given information what? If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than electrons number Z plus 1 electrons, neutrons more than 11.1% more neutrons than electrons, actual electron Z plus 1 plus 11.1%. 11.1% means 11.1 by 100 into Z plus 1. Actual number of electrons Z plus 1. For this 11.1% more. 11.1% 11.1 by 100 into Z plus 1. Got it? So these are the number of neutrons. Okay, and now we know mass number A is equal to N minus J. Mass number A is equal to mass number A is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. A value given 37. Mass number A is equal to number of protons equal to Z plus number of neutrons. These are the number of neutrons. Z plus 1 plus 11.1 by 100 into Z plus 1. Now LCM 100. multiply, cross multiplication, 100 into 37, 3700, that is equal to 100 into z, 100z, 100z plus again 100 into z, 100z, again 100 into 1, 100 plus 11.1z, 11.1z plus 11.1, 11.1. Here total 100z plus 100z plus 11.1z, 211.1z. Okay now, 211.1z, 211.1z, that is equal to here 100 plus 11.1, 100 plus 11.1, 111.1, send left side, then 3700 minus 111.1, 111.1, then z is equal to 11.z, 1z, that is equal to 3700 minus 111.1, then 3589.1, then z is equal to 3589.1 by 211.1. If you calculate this value, then you will get 17. So z value 17. If you calculate this value, then z value 17. Okay, so finally z 37 now. So finally what is the symbol of element? Z value 17, that means atomic number 17. Atomic number 17 means that is a chlorine element. Okay, hence chlorine 1737. This is the symbol of element. Chlorine 17 to 37, mass number 37, element atomic number 17. Okay now, so this is some little difficult question. Okay now, so first one, protons equal to z and electrons equal to z plus 1. Why electrons equal to z plus 1? Because negative charge, one negative charge. Now number of neutrons is equal to, given information, 11.1% more neutrons than electrons. Actual electrons z plus 1, actual electron z plus 1 plus 11.1% is more, so 11.1 by 100 into z plus 1. Okay, now after calculation you are getting z value 17, hence the symbol is chlorine 7 to 37. Okay, now got it? Next one, see this. Consider the following pairs of ions, Sc3 plus and Ti4 plus, Mn2 plus and Fe2 plus, Fe2 plus and CO3 plus, D, option D, Cu plus and Zn2 plus. Among these pairs of ions, isoelectronic pairs would be, you know, isoelectronic means what? Isoelectronic means same number of electrons, isoelectronic means same number of electrons. Okay, now let's calculate electrons. You know, scandium, you know atomic number, scandium atomic number 21, scandium atomic number 21. Okay, it lost 3 electrons, scandium 3 plus, no, so scandium 3 plus means it lost 3 electrons. 21 minus 3, 18, so now scandium 18 electrons. Next, titanium, scandium, titanium, atomic number 22, titanium 4 plus, 22 minus 4, 18. So both Sc3 plus and titanium 4 plus isoelectronic. So A is isoelectronic, both are having 18 electrons. Okay, now so scandium atomic number 21 means it has 21 electrons. So but scandium 3 plus, that means it lost 3 electrons. 21 minus 3, 18, 22 minus 4, 18. Okay, next, Okay, now next coming to option B, the second one, B, Mn2 plus Fe2 plus. You know manganese atomic number 20, atomic number 25, Mn2 plus means 25 minus 2, 25 minus 2, 23 electrons. Manganese Fe2 plus atomic number iron 26. Now 26 minus 2, that is equal to 24 electrons. So Mn2 plus 23 electrons, Fe2 plus 24 electrons. Then they are not isoelectronic because different number of electrons. Isoelectronic means must have same number of electrons, hence this is not isoelectronic pair. Okay, now coming to C, next one, Fe3 plus and CO, Fe2 plus and CO3 plus. Fe2 plus, already we discussed Fe atomic number 26, so number of electrons 26 plus 2 means lost 2 electrons, that is equal to 24 electrons. CO, cobalt atomic number 27 minus it lost 3 electrons, 3, that is equal to 24. So both species having 24 electrons, hence this pair isoelectronic. So C is isoelectronic. Now last one, number 29 plus 1 means it lost 1 electron, that is equal to 28 electrons. Zn2 plus zinc atomic number 30 minus 2 electrons, 30 minus 2, 28 electrons. Both are having same number of electrons, hence they are isoelectronic. So the correct option is ACD. Hence second one is the right answer. Got it? Isoelectronic species means having same number of electrons. Got it? Next, see this, the ratio between the neutrons present in carbon atom and silicon atoms with mass number 12 and 28. Mass numbers given. What are the elements given? Carbon, silicon. Carbon mass number 12, silicon mass number 28 given. We know atomic number carbon 6, silicon 14. Now you find neutrons. Neutrons is equal to 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. 28 minus 14, that is equal to 14. Now asking ratio, 6 is to 14 ratio, 6 is to 14, 2 3s are 2 7s are. So 3 is to 7 is the answer, hence second one is the right answer. Okay, so given mass numbers, we know atomic number 6, 14. Now number of neutrons, 12 minus 6, 6, 28 minus 14, 14. So 6 is to 14, 3 is to 7, and second one is the right answer. So in this class we discussed different objective questions on atomic number, mass number, isobar, isotone, isodiapher, like that. Okay, now so next class we will discuss subatomic models. Okay, thank you.